How to display pictures in Gmail automatically. You're in your Gmail inbox and the setting is in the top right corner. Click the gear icon. That opens a quick settings panel, and you'll see things like display density, inbox type, and theme. None of that is what you want right now, so look at the top of that panel. There's a button labeled See All Settings. Click that. The full settings page opens with a row of tabs across the top. General is already selected, and that's exactly where this setting lives. You don't need to click any of the other tabs, like labels or inbox or accounts. Scroll down the page until you find the Images heading. You'll pass the signature section, the vacation responder, and a few other options on the way. Keep scrolling. It's easy to miss because it's just a heading with 2 radio buttons under it. If you're on a small laptop, use the scroll bar on the right side so you don't fly past it. Under Images, Gmail gives you 2 choices. The first is Ask before displaying external images. That's the default, and it's the reason your messages show plain gray boxes where photos should be, with a little link at the top that says Display Images below. The second choice is Always Display External Images. External images are pictures stored on the sender's server, not attached to the message, and that's why Gmail can block them. Now, there's a reason Gmail hides images by default. Those images load from the sender's server, and that tells the sender that you opened the message. If you're fine with that, click the radio button next to Always Display External Images. The blue dot moves to that option. I set this on my own work inbox because I don't want to click through that banner on every single newsletter or receipt. It's also completely reversible, so don't overthink it. You might notice that the page does not reload or flash when you click the radio button. That's normal. The change doesn't take effect until you save it at the bottom. Now scroll to the very bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This is the part people forget. If you don't click Save Changes, Gmail discards the new setting the moment you leave the page. The button is at the bottom left, and you can't miss the blue color. Click it once, the page reloads, and Gmail shows a yellow confirmation at the top that says your preferences have been saved. Wait for that banner before you leave, because if the browser is still working, the save hasn't finished. That's the whole setting. Now go back to your inbox and see it working. Click the Gmail logo in the top left corner. The inbox loads again. Open a message from a store or a newsletter that normally has blocked pictures. The images now load immediately. No gray banner, no extra click. Open a second message from a different sender. Same thing, the pictures are just there. If an old message still shows empty boxes, it's because the inbox hasn't refreshed yet. Click the circular reload icon at the top of your browser, then open the message again. The placeholders fill in. That's the confirmation that the setting applies to the whole account, not just one sender. You also won't see the display images below prompt on brand new emails anymore. If you do, go back into settings and make sure the radio button is still on always. If you ever decide you don't want senders to know when you've opened their email, the undo path is the same. Click the gear icon again, click See All Settings, stay on General, and scroll back down to Images. You'll see Ask before displaying external images sitting right above the Always option. That's the one to pick if you ever want the gray boxes back. Then scroll down and click Save Changes. I'm leaving it on Always for now, so the blue dot stays on that setting. If this saved you a click on every email, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying it was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.